A wire of length 36 meter. A wire of length 36 meter is to be cut into two pieces. One of the pieces to be made into a square. One is square and another one is a circle. So what should be the length of the two pieces so that the combined area of the square and the circle is minimum. So we have to show that the combined area is minimum. So solution here, let x be the sides of a square and y be the radius of a circle. So this is a wire. This is a wire of 36 meter. This is a wire of 36 meter, and it cut into two parts. Suppose here A and here B and here C. Cut into two parts. One part is a square and another part is a circle. So perimeter of a circle or circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. R is here radius. So here radius is your y. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. R is here y. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So side is here your x. X is your side. So side becomes x. 4x. Now this, so when you will combine 4x plus 2 pi y will become the length of a wire. So according to question, 4x plus 2 pi y is equal to 36. So 36 meter. So here two part divided into two part. One part made as a circumference of a circle. Another part made as a perimeter of a square 4x. So when you will combine this one, so 4x plus 2 pi y is equal to the length of a wire 36 meter. Now our purpose here to find the here combined area. You have to find out the combined area is minimum. So let A be the combined area of a circle and the area of a square. So A equal to, so area of a square, so side is your x, so area of a square is x square. So we can write here x square plus area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So r is y. So pi square. Pi y square. So this is here combined area. So combined area is area A equal to area of a square plus area of a circle. Now see here, area of a circle is pi y square and area of a square is x square. Now combined area depends upon x and y. Combined area depends upon x and y. So our purpose to convert into a single variable. Here x and y both are, here two variables are there, x and y. So our purpose to convert into a single variable. So see here, so 2 pi y, here 4x plus 2 pi y is equal to 36. So 2 pi y is equal to 36 minus 4x. So y is equal to 36 minus 4x by 2 pi. This is y. Now area A is equal to x square plus pi, and y is your 36 minus 4x by 2 pi whole square. So now this area A, combined area A, depends upon x. Pi is constant. Here pi is constant, only depends upon x. So now here A equal to x square plus pi 36 minus 4x whole square divided by 4 pi square. So see here, 1 pi is cancelled. So A equal to x square plus 36 minus 4x whole square divided by 4 pi. Now for maximum or minimum, you have to differentiate this function here x. Now area depends upon x, so we can write here a x. So now you have to differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So a dash x is equal to differentiation of x square is equal to 2x. So write here 2x plus 1 by 4 pi is constant. Now suppose this whole one is z, so differentiation of z square is 2z. So 2z is your 36 minus 4x. 36 minus 4x, and then after differentiation inside the bracket 36 minus 4x is minus 4. So see here, minus 4, here this 4 and here 4 is cancelled. So a dash x is equal to 2x minus 2 into 36 minus 4x. Now again differentiating with respect to x, again differentiating with respect to x, a double dash x is equal to differentiation of 2x is here 2 minus 2. So see here, differentiation of 36 is 0 minus differentiation of minus 4x is minus 4. Minus 4. So here become 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, which is greater than 0. It means minimum. Here it is minimum. And divided by here minus 4 plus 4 is cancelled here. Here it is pi. So here for differentiation of 2x is 2 minus 2 and differentiation of 36 is 0 minus 4x is minus 4 and divided by here pi. So here pi. So it means 2 plus 8 by pi, which is greater than 0. So here 2 plus 8 by pi is greater than 0. It means a double dash x is greater than 0. It means here it is minimum. Minimum. For critical points, we have put a dash x is equal to 0. So a dash x is here 2x minus 2, 36 minus 4x by pi is equal to 0. So here 2x is equal to 2 times 36 minus 4x by pi. So now this 2 and this 2 is cancelled. Now x is equal to 36 minus 4x by pi. Now so x is equal to 36 by pi minus 4x by pi. So the term containing x bring left side. X plus 4x by pi equal to 36 by pi. So here x is taken out. So 1 plus 4 by pi is equal to 36 by pi. So x here pi plus 4 by pi is equal to 36 by pi. So here pi and pi cancel. So x is equal to 36 by pi plus 4. So x is equal to 36 divided by pi plus 4. It means when x is equal to 36 by pi plus 4 will be the minimum. You have to find out the value of y. So you have to find out the value of y. Now you have written 4x plus 2 pi y is equal to 36. So 4 into 36 by pi plus 4 plus 2 pi y is equal to 36. So here 2 pi y is equal to 36 minus 4 into 36 is 144 by pi plus 4. So now 2 pi y is equal to, so here take LCM, pi plus 4, so 36 multiply pi plus 4 minus 144. 144. So 2 pi is equal to 2 pi y is equal to 36 pi plus 144 minus 144 divided by pi plus 4. So 2 pi y is equal to 36 pi divided by pi plus 4. So now here pi and pi cancel. So 2y is equal to 36 over pi plus 4. So y is equal to, so here 2, here 18. So y is equal to 18 divided by pi plus 4. Now when x is equal to 36 by pi plus 4 and y is equal to 18 divided by pi plus 4, then area will be minimum. Combined area will be minimum. So you have to write here when x is equal to, here you got x is equal to 36 divided by pi plus 4 and y is equal to 18 divided by pi plus 4. It means now perimeter 4x, it means 36 in by pi plus 4 into 4 is equal to 144 divided by pi plus 4. That is the perimeter of a square. Now radius here 2 pi r, so 2 pi y, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, so 2 pi r, so r is here 18 by pi plus 4, so 2 pi into 18 divided by pi plus 4, so is equal to 36 pi over pi plus 4. So the combined area will be, the combined area is minimum when the wire cut into two pieces, pieces 4x is equal to 144 by pi plus 4 and 2 pi y 36 pi over pi plus 4, area will be minimum. The combined area is minimum when wire cut into two pieces, 4x is equal to 144 over pi plus 4 and 2 pi y to 36 pi over pi plus 4.